Here we have a pre-owned 2022 Chevrolet Camaro 1SS. And this one comes with the 1LE track performance package. Has a few slight modifications on it. And this is the beautiful satin gray metallic. And then the interior consists of jet black leather and alcantara. And the powertrain is still that trusty 6.2 liter naturally aspirated V8 putting out 455 horsepower. And then this one is mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission. So to the front end here, we do have our LED daytime running lights along with our LED headlamps. And they don't blink like that, that's just how my camera's picking up the lights. And as part of that track package, you also get this black hood here, and that's really the best way to tell that this is a 1LE. And of course this one has red brake calipers, and that tells you it's a 1LE as well. But these are going to be 20-inch aluminum wheels. Beautiful look, and this car is stunning. We get passive keyless entry. And then over here we have the controls for our power door locks, one touch up and down mirrors. And then we also have our, one touch up and down windows. And then we also have our power mirrors here. It's getting late. And then here we have our, I believe it's an 8-way driver's seat there. And then we have an itty bitty back seat if you ever want to use it. There's our back end there with our LED tail lights. And then this does have an aftermarket rear diffuser. But this exhaust, just listen to that. Really great sound there, nice and throaty. And then we have a decent sized trunk space for a sports car, especially for a track car. There's our fuel filler there. And then there we have our 6-way power front passenger seat. And then these have the Recaro performance seats, so these feel really good, really nice bolsters, make you feel like you're locked in there. But next we're just going to take a quick look in the engine bay. And there's that 6.2 liter V8. Then we have a vent there. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. So I really love the steering wheels in these. Nice alcantara finish there, feels really nice, easy to grip. But to the radio here, we get AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. You can even use Alexa if you want to. And then you get your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility as well. Climate controls here. We do get single zone automatic climate, so you can adjust fan speed and where the air is coming from. Really responsive system. And you also have your standard controls for that down here, including the auto, power, so on and so forth. And then we have our backup camera there. And then the lines change, I turn the steering wheel, you can see the direction it's showing me where I'm headed. Now for the 10 speed, you can just pull that knob there, reverse, neutral drive, and then you can slide over here to manually shift using either the paddle shifters or that flop shift there. And then what I really like about the 1LE is you do get the track mode as well as the Tour, Sport, and Snow and Ice mode there. And then we have our traction control we can toggle, and then our electronic parking brake. You can pull up to engage, then hit the brake, press down to disengage. Cup holders there, center console cubby space, and we do have two USB A inputs and then an aux input and an SD card reader. Sorry for that slam. And there's a view of the back seat. Then we have a lockable glove compartment here. Owner's manuals are still in this one. And then back to the steering wheel, we can toggle our cruise control here. Standard controls there. And we can go through our favorites for our radio stations, or we can also use this to toggle our track list if we're listening to Bluetooth or CarPlay or something like that. And then volume controls are right here, up and down. Mute button, voice recognition, we could toggle that on.
What would you? Okay.
And then
speech
you can
session canceled.
Cancel all of that there. And then for that middle digital part of the gauge cluster, we can use these 4 arrows in the select button to go through all of the options. And love having the performance look here, so we can toggle the oil pressure, trans fluid temp, tire temperature. Get a lot of extra goodies with the 1LE. And then we have our heads-up display there. And then I can change the info. But if you've got the 1LE, you're probably going to keep it there. And then we have our push button start. Finally, here is our key fob with remote start. But now to the fun part. Let's go ahead and take this 2022 Camaro 1SS 1LE out on the road for a quick test drive. Love this track mode, it's just nasty. And I love this mode where it shows you the wheel slip, because it just kind of keeps you on your toes when you are on the track. And sorry if I'm yelling over the exhaust, I'm just kind of excited to drive this. These are just always fun to drive. Now the track mode does keep the revs relatively, well, I should say extremely high, because it's just ready for you to come out of a corner and nail it. But I will say these seats are just so supportive, the bolsters are. And they feel really good too. It's not like uncomfortable at all. I don't want any smoke from the state troopers. I'm going to get over here for a minute. I had to get one good pull in there. And I mean, in track mode, this thing is stupid loud. which I enjoy quite a bit. But I mean, this handles, it actually doesn't ride too bad on the interstate where it's smooth, but of course when you hit a bump, you'll feel it in this. But that's pretty much like every Camaro. This is just a tad stiffer. And very torquey, as you can see. And I'll try to put it in tour mode. I probably won't when I get back into town because it's just so much fun to drive like this. Now I will say this ride for some may get old. I mean, I'm in rush hour traffic right now and I really just want to put my foot in this car, and the stiffness of the suspension can get irritated when you're not focused on acceleration or the open road or whatever. But for me, I do have a little bit of a lower back problem, but really not that big of an issue. The biggest thing is going to be getting in and out of this. But for the most part, not a nuisance in terms of overall ride quality. And when you get to do that every so often, it makes it worth it. Just really fun car to drive. And that's what it's made for. I'm gonna put it into tour mode. And with this being a 1LE, even in tour mode, it's still loud, the exhaust is. But it's not nasty raw like it is in track mode. I mean, that's just crazy. And I've driven a ZL1 1LE and that exhaust was, of course, stupid loud, but I just like the SS better. I feel like the ZL1 is a little too much for me, just having that supercharged power. You can never really put your foot down in it because it'll try and get away from you. But on a track, it's probably fine. But just riding around town, the SS at 1LE is my favorite pick because you're also saving, what, $15,000, $20,000 as well. But overall, like I said, ride quality is decent for a track car. And honestly, just love the performance of this. So I wouldn't change anything about this. And even with the Alcantara seats, heated and cooled seats really isn't a big thing. And then the steering wheel as well, it's easier to warm up, I think, with this as opposed to leather. But with all that being said, this is going to bring me to the end of my review of the 2022 Chevrolet Camaro 1SS 1LE.